What's up, all you Kevins? I have got a bunch of cool cars. 4 Saleens. I've got 2 4iX Saleens, an Aero, and a new Edge. We're going to tell you all about each of these cars and why they are Saleen fanatics, so stay tuned and watch the whole video.
I'm Jeff Knott. My car is an 85 Saleen. I bought it in 1987, sold it, bought it back. It'll never get away from me now. Things I like about it are the rarity of it.
Yeah, why? How rare is this car, Jeff?
It's a one of one. With the
one of one. Ooh!
I like the idea that it has T-tops. That makes it more rare.
Yes, I love T-tops.
Yes, and I've always liked the 4-ride cars. I graduated in 85. The car's in 85, so I kept up with the cars those years. You know, what was hot, what was not. Just all my kids have ridden in it. It's a family car. The kids love it, so I can't sell it.
I love that. Awesome, man. Appreciate you bringing it out and doing all this fun stuff with us.
Yeah, thank you.
And I think you won an award, didn't you?
Yes, I won first place here at Carlisle.
First place at Carlisle.
Yeah, first time ever.
In a category or overall or what?
Category 84 through 93 Saleens.
Whew! That's awesome, man. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Another beautiful black Saleen. And I think you guys are related, aren't you?
Yep, brothers, 18 years apart.
18 years apart.
18 years apart. Yeah.
Almost identical Saleens.
Yeah.
Tell us about yours real quick.
I got mine in about 2013, 14. It was actually a barn find. We sat in a chicken coop for about 10 years.
Really?
Yep, had most of the paint baked off the back of it when I got it.
Wow.
All repainted in 2017, 2018. And that Saleen back there is how I got into Saleens.
Okay.
Yep.
So your brother got you into the club, huh?
Yes, sir. I think he bought that in about 87, and I was 2 years old.
Nice. Okay.
There's pictures of me sitting in his headlight bucket when I was probably 3 years
Oh
old.
my gosh, that is awesome.
Yep.
All right, well, it's a gorgeous car. What are some of your favorite things about this car?
I'm going to say my favorite thing about this car is it doesn't have T-tops.
Okay.
So when it rains, my back stays dry.
All right. There you go. Dig on the T-top, boys. I like it.
Yes, sir.
What else?
I don't know. I would say it's a one of 201 cars made in 86. Probably about one of 36 in this configuration, which black, I guess, was the most common configuration of these cars.
I love it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I appreciate you bringing it out and showing it to us and having fun with this video.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. All right, for you guys out there watching this video, the Saleens had different wings in 85 and 86. So this is the correct wing. That car also has the correct wing. And neither of these are big wing cars. So these are just the regular wings that 85, 86 cars came with. All right, the next one over here, Mr. Luke, another relative. What's up, man?
What's up?
Not much. All right, so tell us about this car real quick. What's your favorite few things about it?
Oh, all right, this is a Saleen GT Sport. My favorite, probably my 3 favorite things about it is probably the wheels, the ARE5 wheels.
Okay.
Probably like the connections I've had with this car with other people. 'Cause I found a lot of people love this car, and my 3rd favorite thing about it is probably the rarity of it for sure.
Yeah.
It's only around 50 of them ever made.
That's
So,
super cool, man.
I've never seen another one in person, so.
The Saleen GT Sport. Very cool car. Appreciate you driving me around in this thing some. Obviously, you're wanting to do a full restoration on it.
So that's the plan.
I love that.
Yep.
And this has a very rare stack trailing edge. Is that what they call it?
Yes, sir. Trailing edge wing.
A trailing edge wing that's stacked right on top of a GT wing.
As far as we know, it's the only Mustang that has that wing. It's not on any other Saleen or any other production Mustang.
I love that, man. Cool. Well, good luck with all the restoration. And how's you related to these other guys?
All right, so this 86 right here, that's my dad, Kevin, and that's my uncle's 85 T-top car.
Love it. Awesome. All right, we got one more car over here.
What's up, man? My name's Cole Sheets. Came into the Knott family about 9 years ago. This is a 2001 S281 Saleen.
Nice.
They only made 916 of them. This is number 129.
Very cool.
Came into the Knott family about 9 years ago. Did not know anything about the Saleens at all.
They drug you in.
Not at all. I loved Mustangs. Had no idea about the Saleens at all. Took my first ride actually in the 86 that Kevin owns.
Nice.
After that, I was hooked. Wanted to know everything I wanted to know about them. So I got this one about a month and a half ago. Favorite things about it
it's
is,
fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Fresh to you. I like that.
And everything. So, what I like about it, it's got the cloth interior. You really don't see that at all in the Saleens. It's really, really hard to come by, honestly. Talked to Mark this weekend. Mark said he's only seen about 5 of them in these years. So, gonna have to order the build sheet and see if it'll tell me how many were made. Other than that, really just an NA car, not supercharged or anything. But I still love driving it. Love the car, honestly. So happy to be a part of this, and I owe it all to the Knott. So
nice, dude. Nice. All right. Love the car. I'm a new Edge fan, so
yeah, it's my favorite body style.
there you go. All right. Hey, look, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big old fat thumbs up. Hit that like button. You guys know the drill. And until next time, keep it Kevin.